Jeremy coming at you from the Mellow Vapes here in Statesville, and today I'm coming at you with a new product that we're carrying. This is the Vinci R. So this is a cool little mod. It's smaller and it's made by U-Force, but it is a pod style device, as you can see here, and it's got a nice little design to it where you have this cool top cap where you actually push the coils up into there, similar like you would with like an RPM from smoke. But the way this works is there's two ways you can put this tip back in here. If you put it in this way, let's see here, you get a mouth to lung hit with the 0.8 coil in there. But if you were to take this out, put the 0.3 coil in there and then spin this around, it actually changes the airflow to where you get a direct lung option on here. So mouth to lung, direct lung, whether you're using salt base, regular juices, this thing can do all of those. It's got a nice hit. It's got a, it was a really decent battery in here. Actually, I had the battery in my mind. 1500 mAh battery life. Just an all-around swell kit. We're gonna carry these. They come in a number of different colors. In fact, this one is the Jade. It's got a really nice green color on the side there. But I would definitely recommend these. So hope to see some of you all out for that, and everyone have a wonderful day.